Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Integration services enabled on the target SQL server, Ssys created, and you have admin access. Once done, open SQL Server Data Tools or Visual Studio and build the project to produce an ISPAC. Then, in Ssms, connect to the database engine where Ssys resides. Make sure to back up Ssys or snapshot if this is production. Start the deployment wizard from the Integration Services Catalog's node to pick your ISPAC and target folder. Once the wizard opens, select the ISPAC file and target folder under Ssys. You will map environments for parameters and supply production connection strings. This is why you validated credentials earlier. Next, choose whether to overwrite existing projects or create a new folder. Review the summary and validate the package before executing to surface errors early. During deployment, watch the progress and the operation messages pane. If validation fails, inspect parameter mismatches and data source permissions, and correct them before retrying. After deployment, execute the package once from the catalog to confirm success and collect the execution ID. Make sure logging is enabled so you can inspect Ssys. Operation messages for errors. If scheduling is required, create a SQL agent job that calls the Ssys catalog. Execute package procedure and test the job. If anything goes wrong, one key tip: use the execution ID to filter Ssys. Logged messages. Then validate credentials, connection strings, and firewall access. Fix the root cause, redeploy, and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.